Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to least squares method, okay, of odd number of years. So without wasting further more time, some of the students are having some doubt relating to it. So how to solve we are going to discuss. See here, years are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a odd number. So what we need to do? First one from here, last one from here, okay, from both sides you cut one and this one, in middle this alone is left, right? One from left side, one from right side you have deducted. So this third year will be your 0, this side it will be -1 -2, this side it will be +1 +2, right? This is how we need to give the x values, okay. First thing we need to do this, okay. Suppose if it is more than 5 years like this, okay, see here, 1960, 1961, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, like this years are there. Now first we need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a odd number. So what we need to do? 1, 1. Okay, from here deduct 1, 1. Third one यहाँ पे, right? Now what is left over in middle? Fourth year is left over. For 1963 you take at it as 0, -1, -2, -3, and here 1, 2, 3 plus sign. So these are my x values. So for solving the first thing in least square method we need to do this one, okay. After understanding this, just check the information given. Here we are discussing question number 16. Construct a straight line trend for the following data by in the method of least squares. Least squares as it is odd period, okay. So let us see the other information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years are there. Items 89, 92, 71, 90, 169. These are the items given, okay. So let us solve the problem relating to question. From here you can see here clearly least squares method, odd number of years we are doing. Question number 16. Table showing fitting a trend line under least square method. Okay, year, y value which are given as item, that will be your y, x, then x square, x into y, yc is equals to a plus bx. These are the columns we require to solve the problem. And years given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Values 89, 92, 71, 90, 169. Total this and treat it as sigma y. What? Sigma y or summation y you can call it as. Y total, right? It is 5, 11. Next what we require? X values. How you will take x value? As I said, it is totally 5. This third one alone is there, so take third year 0, above that -1, -2, below that 0, +1 and +2, like this we need to take. And do the square of x, x का square करो, x square. So 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 again 1, 2 into 2 4. Total it. This is sigma x square we need to consider, or summation x square. Hope you have understood till here. Next what we need to do? We need to do multiplication of x into y. X into y. This is your y value, this is your x value. Multiply these two. 89 into -2 -178, 92 into -1 -92, 71 into 0, 0, anything into 0 will become 0, 90 into 1, 90, 169 into 2, 338. Now total all these. So 338 plus 90, 428. From 428, 92 plus 178, 92 दोनों माइनस वैल्यू से प्लस कर लिए तो क्या हो जाएगा, 170 हो जाएगा, राइट. You deduct it from this 428, right? It is 428 minus 170. If you do, it will be 158 here. Okay, 8, 12 minus 7 will become 5. Sorry, here it is 270, not 170, it is 270. So 1 is already taken over to the other side. 178 plus 92 now, so it is 270. 270 if you deduct from 428, it will be 158. Hope you have got it. Next, ये calculation हो गया. Next, these values we will get from working notes. So let us do the working note part. Working note 1, calculation of A and B values. N is 5. How means number of years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth 5 is your N. Then sigma xy, that is total of these two. Okay, x into y total, sigma xy is 158. X square total, this is x square total, and sigma y, this is the total of sigma y, or else summation y you can say. Now A is equals to y divided by, sorry, sigma y divided by n, not y. What it is? Sigma y divided by n. What is your sigma y? 511 divided by 5. N is 5, so it is 102.2. So 102.2 we are getting. Then B value. What is B value? Sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Well, here you can see sigma xy 158 divided by sigma x square 10, 15.8 we have got. Hope you have understood till here. Next we need to calculate trend values under least squares. See, ऐसा हाईलाइट करके लिखना एग्जाम है भी. ओके, YC is equals to A plus BX. A plus BX. So just write here Y, that is years, X values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. X values third year 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Now substitute the values for getting YC is equals to A plus BX trend value के लिए. So A is equals to we got 102.2 and B is equals to 15.8. So take those values. A 102.2 plus B x, B is equals to 15.8. Here x value is minus 2, so take here minus 2. So 102.2, 15 into 2, 31, 15.8 into 2, 31.6. If you deduct this one, you will get 70.6. Similarly, next you take x value minus 1 here. So 102.2 plus 15.8 into 1 minus 1. So it will become minus. So 102.2 minus 15 is becoming 86.4. Next 102.2 we need to take x value 0. So 15.8 into 0 will become 0. So 102.2 plus 0 will become 102.2. Then fourth year x value is equals to plus sign 1. Please remember here it is plus. So 102.2 plus 15.8 into 1, it will become 102.2 plus 15. So it is becoming 118. Next fifth year we need to take 2 as x value. So 102.2 plus 15 into 2, it will become 102.2 plus 36, 31.6, it is 133.8. And now these values you take to the main answer. Okay, here you write first year 70.6, second year 86.4, third year 102.2, and fourth year 118, and fifth year 133.8. so values you have written. Sometimes after doing till here, he may ask you to show it as a trend line. So for that purpose, what we need to do, we need to make a chart relating to it, taking x values and y values in the question. So take here x values and y values. So in the details, you can see here in the details, I'll draw the line. Let us draw the line here. Okay, I am drawing the line over here. So it is first year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years data I have taken. Okay, randomly I am writing, but you do with the scale, correct scaling. Then consider it as base as 60 directly, because it is from 70 na, so consider base as 60. You take 70 here, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Okay, like that you take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years data you take. First year it was around 70 point change, so take here as 1 point. Next year 84.6 we have got, so second year point will be around 84 point here, after 80 before 90. And next year, third year, we are having 102.2, so after 100 immediately you take here 1 point. Next fourth year we are having value 118, just below the 120 value you take here. Okay, for fourth year. And for fifth year it is 133.8, so take here 133 1 point. Okay, so draw this is trend line of least squares. Okay, least squares. And one more line you draw with the original values 169, 90, whatever original values are there. With that you draw one more line with original. Okay, original values. Okay, one is like that. We need to do graph. Okay, under freehand method. One is with these original and one line with trend line of least squares. That is the answer at the end. So ग्राफ भी डालना भूलना नहीं, ग्राफ भी करके रखो. मैंने क्लास में बोला था, कुछ लोग करें कुछ लोग नहीं करें. ओके, ठीक है. दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू डू लीस्ट स्क्वायर्स अंडर ऑड पीरियड. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों को. जय हिंद.